Hello, it's Gail again, and today I'd like to talk to you about prototyping. First thing I want to discuss is things to look out for when you make your prototype. You remember in the gift experiment, it was really easy to just put something together and get it in front of your user, and you didn't need much time. Think along that track again for the prototypes for the dining experience. Be sure to make your prototype very quickly and very cheaply. Only use materials you have around the house, and be sure to stay low resolution on this. Don't spend time making it fancy or upscale or high resolution, because the more you do that, the less feedback you'll get from the user and the more critique you'll get on the prototype itself. So you want to stay focused on the user's experience and how they interact with that. Another tip is to be sure to test in the context of use. So if you are making a prototype that has to be used in the dining room, test in the dining room, because that will make a difference in the feedback that you get from your user. When you talk with the user, and this is covered in track 5, explain the basic context of what you're doing, but like it says in the reading, don't over-explain. I've had students point and direct and explain everything before they hand the prototype over, and you don't want to do that because you want to get as much of an unbiased or unspoiled experience from the user. Let them discover what you've designed. Be sure to let them hold the prototype, hand it over to them, and let go. This can be difficult, but you can practice with maybe some test users before your real user. Be sure you're able to record the user test. You can write down as they are discovering the experience, or you can capture it with a video or a voice recorder on your phone. If you decide to record by writing, it might be useful for them to narrate their thoughts as they're using it. And then, after they experience and give you feedback, follow up with questions. This is the feedback capture grid, which is the tool you'll use to record the feedback from your test. And then, as you can see, it's simple in 4 quadrants, and this is covered in track 6. This side, you are going to put what worked well, here, things that need to change, here, unanswered questions, and here, ideas to try. These are the quick things I wanted to cover. As always, if you have questions, let me know. Thank you, and have fun exploring.